Why is Cabinet IQ better than our competition? We finish the job correctly. We do the upfront processes to make sure that the customer is going to have not only a good kitchen, but a good experience.
Our unique process for kitchen remodeling has allowed us to have over 300 five-star reviews, and this is more than our top 10 competitors in our market combined. Cabinet IQ is a full-service cabinet and countertop company. So there's a couple other kitchen and bath franchises in existence. Those mainly deal with fixing low-ticket items in kitchens. We deal with a different clientele that wants what they want, and they want to go with the best.
So the sales process, a customer will usually either fill out a form online or they'll call the store, and then we invite them into the showroom.
So when a client first comes in, most of the time they say, "You guys have the best reviews online, we're ready to remodel our kitchen, and we don't know where to start." So that's where we take them through our process, which is to sit down, completely understand what they're looking for, guide them around, showing them good, better, and best options.
And in the showroom, they pick out what color, door style, manufacturer they want, and we also qualify them on budget.
From there, the designer goes to the home, measures the kitchen, understands exactly what the client's looking for, designs their kitchen in 3D, and this allows consumers to visualize their kitchen before they purchase it.
It's really inspiring. The customer gets to see what their kitchen's gonna look like before they buy it, and he makes any notes. The designer, hey, move this here, change this, add a ½ inch here, and we get a really solid design that's gonna be smoothly installed.
After the final selections are made, the final design's made, we order the cabinets, they come in, we install the cabinets in 1 to 2 days, and then the countertops go in about a week after that. So we're actually only in the home for 2 to 3 days.
At the end of the installation, we want to meet with our installer and the customer to really walk the job to make sure that the customer is completely happy with everything. If they are completely happy with everything, we explain to them how much it would mean to our company if you would leave us a 5-star review. The reality is that homeowners, if they're doing one kitchen remodel in their lifetime, they want a contractor they can trust. One of the best ways to build that trust is through having your current customers leave you a 5-star review and even ask for pictures. They can make a buying decision 75% before they even walk in the door.
Cabinet IQ is not your chuck in a truck type of contractor that just got a business card and decided to try remodeling on their own. We have a very strict process of how we deal with customers and how we communicate, and they never have to look around and ask, "Where is my contractor?"
If you want to be an empire builder, our system is designed to be able to hire for all these positions: sales, project management, scheduling coordinator, all of operations. Our model is set up for you to do the same as well.
So our ideal franchise owners do not need any background in kitchen remodeling. We have our process set up in training so that they don't need to know anything about kitchen remodeling when they first start their business. The training and support that Cabinet IQ offers our franchisees is an 8-week virtual training that allows them to understand the business at their own pace using a learning management system. After this, they'll come to the Cabinet IQ franchise headquarters to fully see the business in the field. Our experience of doing 300 kitchen remodels a year has given us a lot of data. We've made a lot of mistakes, we've learned from them, and we put a rock-solid foundational process in place for our franchise owners to follow.
Franchise owner role and responsibility, there's really 2 avenues. There's sales and there's operations. As a salesperson, you answer phones, you answer emails, you are getting out in their local community and kind of building that relationship with potential recurring clients. If you're more operationally inclined rather than sales inclined, there is also an opportunity to hire a designer/salesperson to be in the showroom working with customers, and then you would be more scheduling, installation, and follow up with the customer.
A franchise owner can scale the same way that we've done, and this is by putting an organizational chart in place and having the people and the products necessary to perform a 5-star service for clients.
We want to keep our investment costs as low as possible for our franchisees, and we've really focused on a couple different areas. We've really spent a lot of time with our national suppliers to offer extremely deep discounts on the showroom material. So we're talking anywhere from 50 to 75, in some cases 100% off showroom material. So this keeps the cost low for the franchisees, and it's a good partnership with our national vendors. One other way is we've realized that cabinets and countertops are typically intent-based. So people are looking to drive to your store. This allows you to be in a space that's maybe a Class B or an industrial park, where rents are a lot lower than in those Class A areas. One thing that I'm really excited about is taking a winning recipe and sharing that with other business owners so that they can be successful. Over the last year, we've been able to increase our average ticket almost 30%. It's a really fun process to build a team, grow a team, and develop a team, and we're really excited to share that with other business owners.
I'm excited for Cabinet IQ franchise owners to come into a growing, successful brand, spend more time with their families, their kids, and have a flexible schedule while making a big impact in their local communities.